Now student, come to our example when new partner brings the amount of goodwill premium in cash. In this question we will make our journal entry, revaluation account, partner's capital account and balance sheet. Now students, come to question. Vimal and Nirmal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Following was the position of their business as at 31st March 2018. Students, Vimal and Nirmal are old partner here and their ratio is or old ratio is 3 is to 2. Now come to the balance sheet. Liability side, sundry creditors is given 20,000. Capital of Vimal and Nirmal given 60,000 and 32, total 92,000. Profit and loss account 20,000 and the liability side total is 1,32,000. Now come to the asset side. Cash 14,000, debtors 18,000, plant and machinery 50,000, stock 40,000, goodwill 10,000 and total of asset side is 1,32,000. On 1st April 2018, Kailash agrees to join the business on the following terms and conditions. Student, these are adjustments. He will introduce rupees 40,000 as his capital and pay rupees 20,000 to the existing partners for his share of goodwill. Students, new partner bring 40,000 as capital and 20,000 as a goodwill in cash. The new profit sharing ratio will be 2 is to 1 is to 1 respectively for Vimal, Nirmal and Kailash. Students, this is our new profit sharing ratio given after admission of Kailash. Our evaluation of assets will be made by reducing plant and machinery to rupees 35,000. Student, plant and machinery was given in our balance sheet 50,000 and we reduced it till 35,000. It means it decreased. Stock by 10% and provision of rupees 1,000 is to be created for doubtful debt. Students, remember in your mind, when we create provision, that time our debtors will decrease. Okay. Pass journal entries for the above agreements and give the balance sheet of the newly constituted firm. Also specify the sacrificing ratio. Now students, come to our solution. First we distribute our profit and loss account which given in balance sheet rupees 20,000. In liability side it is given. So entry will profit and loss account debit to Vimal to Nirmal 20,000, 12,000, 8,000. Students, balance sheet item we always distribute in old partners in their old ratio. Remember it in your mind. Revaluation account debit to plant and machinery account to stock to provision for doubtful debts 15,000, 4,000, 1,000, total 20,000. Students, regarding this information given, adjustment number 3rd or 3. Vimal's capital account debit, Nirmal's capital account debit to revaluation account 12,000, 8,000, 20,000. This is loss on revaluation to the partner's capital account in old ratio. Then goodwill already given in balance sheet asset side 10,000. So we will distribute it. Vimal's capital account debit, Nirmal's capital account debit to goodwill account 6,000, 4,000, 10,000. Then new partner bring capital and goodwill. For this we will pass entry cash account debit to Kailash capital to premium for goodwill. In front of Kailash capital we will write 40,000, premium for goodwill 20,000, or in front of cash or bank we will write 60,000. Now students, we will distribute our premium which brought by new partner premium for goodwill account debit to Vimal's capital to Nirmal's capital in their sacrificing ratio, which is 2:3. So 20,000 we will distribute 8,000 and 12,000. Now we will make our revaluation account. In the debit side we will write decrease in assets or increase in liability. So plant and machinery account 15,000. It means plant and machinery decreased by 15,000, stock by 4,000, and provision for doubtful debts by 1,000. And in credit side no item will come. So we find our difference. This will come in credit side. This is called loss transferred to capital account. Vimal, Nirmal 12,000, 8,000 in old ratio. Total is 20,000. Now students, we will make partners capital account. First of all we will write opening capital from balance sheet liability side capital, which given Vimal and Nirmal 60,000, 32,000 by balance BD. Then we will write our profit and loss by P&L account 12,000, 8,000. Then by cash in Kailash account is new partner premium for goodwill distributed between Vimal and Nirmal 8,000 and 12,000. Now come to the debit side. This revaluation account we transferred from revaluation credit side 12,000, 8,000. Goodwill 6,000, 4,000. It is given in balance sheet asset side. At the last we will find our difference to balance CD 62,000, 40,000 and 40,000. Now students, we will make our balance sheet as at 1st April 2018. Liability side sundry creditors 20,000, capital Vimal 62, Nirmal 40, Kailash 40,000. Student, this given debit side in capital account to balance CD. Okay, now come to the asset side. Cash account, we will not record balance sheet cash, we will record here adjusted cash. Debtors 18,000 given in balance sheet. Then we deduct provision 1,000, it will come 17,000. Stock 36,000 and plant and machinery 35,000. Students, you can show your stock another way also, like stock given in our question 40,000 minus depreciation 4,000, or we will get 36,000. And for plant and machinery you will write 50,000, then you will deduct depreciation 15,000, so 35,000 will come. Now students, come to the working note. Calculation of sacrificing ratio. Vimal and Nirmal, old minus new, 3/5 minus 2/4, 2/20, 2/5 minus 1/4, it will come 3/20. We will make our cash account to balance BD. This is opening capital which we transferred from balance sheet asset side. Then we will write here premium for goodwill which brought by new partner. Then we will write Kailash capital, it is the new capital of new partner. Then we will write here by balance CD. This is the difference of debit and credit side. Another method, we have to calculate our cash, opening cash, premium for goodwill, new partners capital minus withdrawal goodwill if given. Here not given, so we not written here. So 14,000, 20,000, 40,000, total is 74,000. This 74,000 we will write or written in our balance sheet cash 74,000. Thank you students.